dance album of India and Morocco, created by Satakshi De, Saksham Kumar, Sanvi Taneja, Ridhima Bhandari, and Raghav Gupta. Attire by Satakshi De. Kathak attire, usually based on a sari. A Kathak artist generally wraps the sari around the waist. A blouse called choli covers the upper body. The artist may wear a scarf. Hair, face, ear, neck, hand, wrist, and ankle jewelry are typically of gold. A tika or bindi in the middle of forehead is common. Shikhat attire. They wear long and wide tunics, mainly of two types, the jalevas and the takchita. Usually, they wear a scarf tied around their hips. When wearing a takchita, the hip scarf is plain without sequins or coins and it is tied at the back. Bharatnatyam attire. The attire of Bharatnatyam dancer resembles a Tamil Hindu's bridal dress. The sari is made of a specially stitched plaited cloth. The sari is worn in a special way. The dancer is typically adorned with jewelry. Her face has conventional makeup, eyes lined and ringed by collyrium, which helps viewer to see her eyes expressions. Avash attire. The men of the troop wear turbans and flowing white jalabas and carry silver daggers and traditional embroidered leather pouches. Written by Saksham Kumar. Shikhar. Several Greek and Roman sources, including Juvenal and Martial, describe dances from Asia Minor and Spain using undulating movements. In the Ottoman Empire, Shikhar was performed by both boys and women in the Sultan's palace. Kathak. The Kathak tradition of India is traceable to 400 BCE. The earliest surviving text with Kathak root is the Natya Shastra, and its first complete compilation is dated to between 200 BCE and 200 CE. The text states Natalia Jidovia describes the theory of Tandava dance. Avash. The dancers migrated along with the tribes and villagers in the area. The dance is now found throughout the high Atlas and South regions. Bharatnatyam. More direct historical references to Bharatnatyam is found in the Tamil epics Silapatikaram and Manimegalai. The carvings in Kanchipuram Shiva temple that have been dated to 6th to 9th century CE suggest Bharatnatyam was a well-developed performance art by the mid-1st millennium CE. Musical instruments by Sanvi Taneja. Avash. In Avash dance, the males sit in a circle playing wooden bended drums. It usually has a snare stretched across its back, which produces a buzzing sound when the instrument is played. The rhythm gets faster and faster until the finale. As the rhythm of the drum increases, the women sway more following the beats. Shikhat. Some Shikhat play finger cymbals called mokas while dancing or a tambourine. They are usually accompanied by a singer and musicians who play drums and violins. Kathak. Ghungroos are the bells tied around the ankles of a Kathak dancer to reflect the sound of the percussion instrument. The ensemble of musical instruments varies any Kathak performer ranging from 2 to 12 classical Indian instruments or more. The most common instruments that go with Kathak are tabla, sarangi or harmonium with manjira and other instruments. Bharatnatyam. The instruments used include the mridangam, nadaswaram, nattuvangam and flute, violin and veena. Movements by Ridhima Bhandari. Movements of Kathak. The Kathak dance form emphasizes rhythmic foot movements adorned with small bells called ghungru. Movements of Bharatnatyam. Along with the rhythmic stamping of the feet, there are jumps, pirouettes, and positions where the knee contact with the floor. Movements of Shikhat. The steps are shuffling, mostly on flat feet but sometimes on the toes, and there are hip isolations which are also quite big and grounded. Movements of Avash. The Avash dance is divided into three parts. At the beginning, a group of men lines up facing a group of women. This first part of the dance is called the Imsak. In that part, the soloist performs a dialogue song. Occasions by Raghav Gupta. Shikhat. Shikhat traditionally performed at private ceremonies such as weddings and circumcisions and during big festivals. For example, they dance on streets during Eid. Avash. In most places, an Avash is performed in front of a saint's tomb during religious holidays called Mosam. In some instances, it is disallowed for fear of offending the saint or for fear of the combination of saint's power and the power of the Avash. Kathak. Kathak is a form of dance originated in the state of Uttar Pradesh, India. This dance is specially performed at the time of religious occasions in India. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam dance, one of the popular classical dances in South India, especially the dance performed in the temples on the occasions of festivals and on auspicious days. Thank you.